Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can add a background to your story when you're sharing a reel. So let's get into it. First of all, I'm gonna choose a reel from here to share. Let's go with this one here. So I will click on the share and add to my stories. Now I have a reel that I will be sharing to my story, and you can see in the background, we can actually change the colors, but we cannot add a background picture. We cannot customize it completely. How we can add a picture to this, there's actually a trick to it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the stickers icon at the top, and then you're gonna scroll down a little bit to find the add photo option. You can see this one from where we add a photo. It will open up our gallery for us, and you're gonna choose the picture. Let's say I wanna add this picture as the background. Now, what you will do is, here is a little tricky part, but it's actually really easy. I will, adjust the background, the image that we have, and I will adjust to the half of screen, like so. Now we have half of the picture. So I'll click on the reel and it will bring it to the front. Now you're gonna actually do the same process again and select the image, but this time we will be adding it to the other half, and we're just where it is, like this, and make sure to go for the same layout and everything. And now we're gonna click on the reel and it'll bring it to the front. So you can see now we have an image in the background, but it's like for me, you can see the difference here. But what you can do is you can actually adjust it completely, and then you can see I can move the reel around, and I'm gonna place it like this, and there you go, we have a picture in the background for our reel. This is how you can customize the background image in your stories, and it will look more customized and it will look more cool. Now we can share the reel, and this is how you can do it. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.